Oh!
What's up, Dyches fam?
What's up?
Dyches kids, how you doing today?
Great.
And Rossi, what do you have today? That's right, today Roswell has a double header. He's got 2 games. Nikoi also has a soccer game today. You pumped?
Yeah.
And I have football practice.
Woohoo! Yeah! So today's filled with football. Both kinds.
Football and football. Right now we're gonna go cheer on Roswell because both of his games are first.
And then I have my game after.
Rossi, you ready to kick some soccer balls?
Yeah.
And score some goals?
Yeah. Let's go.
Good job, buddy. That's your longest kick? Oh, okay. Oh, he saves it. Oh, Baba get back. Rosie, game 1 in the books, buddy.
Let's get just one goal.
He scored just 1 goal.
Tell Daddy how many you're gonna score in the next one.
7.
That's right.
He scored 7.
And say,
He's
Dad, you're-
obsessed with 7.
Yeah, that's all right.
we gotta get a mid-game snack, right? Gotta get fueled up for the next game.
Can you give me 5, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're playing awesome today.
You too tired? Or do you want to go play some more soccer?
Here's some more soccer.
Let's
That
do
again.
it.
Go get it! Get it, Rosie! Go, Rosie, go! My dude! Rosie, what'd you get, buddy?
Kool-Aid and
Cupcake?
cupcake.
Rosie, you did good today, buddy. How many goals did you score?
7. This one.
1 a game. You scored 2 goals today. Good job, buddy.
goal?
Good.
Was that a tough game?
Second goal. No, it was really easy.
Hey, but how is it playing in over 100-degree weather?
Oh, it was fine, but you just had to take a lot of breaks.
Okay, good job out there, sis. Way to score.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh! I just called that one, didn't I? Oh, shoot. Well, it's his first time wrecking, so. Tayden, you crashed on your dirt bike for the first time tonight.
Yep.
I don't know if I should congratulate you or kick your butt.
Congratulations, you crashed for your first time.
He actually crashed twice tonight. I got one of them on camera. So anyways, you live and you learn, right?
Yep.
Well, at least you hope you live.
Yeah, I hope you live.
And I hope you learn.
I'm thinking about grounding Tayden, though, for the rest of football season, because I don't want him to get hurt after putting all this much time and effort into football. What do you guys think? You guys should think we should ban him from riding his dirt bike crazy until after football season?
Crashing.
If you think so, hit that thumbs up button. If not, hit that thumbs down button. Let us know. Anyways, 3 soccer games in the books today. 1 football practice. William, Bubba, you've got a soccer game tomorrow, huh? Yeah. And as you guys notice, Mom and Roswell are not with us tonight. Tayden, where are they at?
They're up north because Roswell's got a dentist appointment.
Dun, dun, dun.
Actually, no, it's tooth surgery. Roswell has tooth surgery at 6 o'clock in the morning. So they are staying up north because his tooth surgery is like an hour and a half away from where we live. So he's got to go in. They got to actually put him out, put him to sleep. And he's got to have like, I think 4 teeth worked on. He'll get some caps and some cavities filled. So it's scary. I hate when they do that though.
I still got my silver teeth.
That's right, you do. I went with the kids a couple times when they come out of that amnesia. It is heartbreaking because they don't know what's going on. Sometimes they don't know where they're at. They're crying for mom and dad, and they just can't stop crying. And it's one of the worst experiences I've ever been through with the kids.
I've never been through it.
You're lucky.
I'm very
Maybe you should punch you. So anyways, if you guys see this video, please say a little prayer for Roswell and ask that he'll get feeling better quickly and heal quickly, right? So we just got done saying our prayers. Nikoi's going to bed now. She's yawning. But thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. I know it was kind of crazy busy with lots of soccer, but we love it. We wouldn't have it any other way. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, when are we going to see these guys?
Tomorrow!